Hello everyone. Today we will be talking about titrations. Let's first start by defining what a titration is. The purpose of a titration is to quantitatively determine the concentration of an unknown solution called an analyte solution by adding the volume of a chemical with a known concentration called the titrant. Before beginning the experiment, we should start by priming the burette. You should rinse the burette with water 3 times to clean it, and then with the solution sodium hydroxide 3 times to rinse out any water that would give the solution a diluting effect.
Before beginning a titration, you need to know the concentration of the solution and the initial volume. In this lab, the concentration of NaOH is 0.01 molar. We filled the burette with 50 milliliters of NaOH and then prepared a KHP solution and dissolved it in 50 milliliters of water in the Erlenmeyer flask.
Let's take a look at how Amy conducts the titration.
The initial volume is 50 milliliters. Okay, now we probably. Because we saw the color was faintly pink, we stopped the burette, and the final volume is 23.47. The volume delivered is 26.53 milliliters, and I got that by subtracting the initial volume from the final volume.
Next, we will look at how Zach conducts the experiment.
The initial volume is 50 milliliters.
And then you can't have bubbles.
Because we saw a light pink color, the final volume is 31.58 milliliters. Wow.
Where you started just a minute ago and where.
Alright, the volume delivered is 18.44 milliliters. I found that by subtracting the initial volume by the final volume. Now we will see Deepa conduct the experiment.
The initial volume is 50 milliliters. Because we saw light pink color, the final volume is 28.78 milliliters. Wow. The volume delivered is 21.3 milliliters. We found that by subtracting the initial volume minus the final volume. Finally, we will see Forrest conduct the experiment.
The initial volume is 50 milliliters. As we saw it turned a light pink color, we stopped the volume at 23.87. The volume delivered is 26.13 milliliters. I found this by subtracting the initial volume from the final volume. These are our calculations of our KHP, mass, initial volume, final volume, and the volume transferred. As you can see, all of our volumes are measured to 2 decimal places. Thank you for listening. Have a happy Thanksgiving. Eat plenty of beans, greens, yams.